Hey, this is Troy Stavros with Doorbell Real Estate. Just thought I'd just jump on here and let you know, give you some encouragement for the market. This home here, we had an open house today. Shout out to my agents, Steve Douglas and Michelle Shull, for sitting here from 2 to 4. We had over 80 people come through this open house today. This home is in Farragut. It's listed at $750,000. We had 30 groups and 83 people come through this open house today. So if you're thinking that the world is falling and the market is crashing, well, that tells you, oh, and we have multiple offers already. So just so you know, the market is not as bad as the national media says. Right here in Farragut, we're doing okay because inventory is low and there are still plenty of people, 83 through this open house today, that are interested in buying right now.